Right off the bat, I noticed a problem, and first thing I found, broken wire. So we're gonna have to remove this dashboard trim. So key on, first gear, steering wheel down, and just give her a yank. All right, with that out of the way, this will just fall out. The door has to be kind of open. And I'm just taking a peek. Right off the bat, I noticed a problem. I started pulling this plastic away. There's supposed to be a spot with screws in the bottom. My screws were missing, and this was just clipped together. So I just started pulling this up, and first thing I found, broken wire. So I'm gonna add a little bit of length to that and maybe reroute it a different way. All right, I'm in here fixing some other dumb shit, but you can see my tow haul mode doesn't work. So what you want to do is get this cover out of the way. What I did was, I was missing the screws on the bottom, but this was clipped together. I just pulled the clips apart and I pulled this wire, and it's broken. They always break right there. This right here, this plastic clip was connected to this thing right here. So this wouldn't happen if this orange wire could slide inside that plastic thing, but it doesn't. So when you pull this down into first, it breaks the wire. So if this wire could slide on this thing, like the plastic stays mounted and the wire could slide inside of it, it would have been perfect. They did it so it wouldn't get caught up in the mechanism. So what I'm gonna do is reconnect the wire and then loosely put a zip tie around the wire in through that hole so it could move back and forth vaguely. So let's do that. This is what you need: a good crimper, stripper, some heat, and a good butt connector. Okay, it's been a while since I've done this. I forgot that inside the orange there's two different wires, so I got smaller butt connectors. It's the same process, so I just touched these two together. It doesn't matter which way they go, and the tow haul worked. So I'm gonna put a butt connectors on there, and it should be done. Okay, that works. I just made my life easier, and I just put a little jumper wire in there, but you just connect those two wires any way you feel necessary. I'm gonna tuck that back in there, shove this back together, and we're gonna keep installing this. But that's how you fix your tow haul. So I'm gonna let that cool, cover on. We gotta put that kick panel on and that panel. Okay, trim's on. I got this shifter surround back on there, and we're gonna put this back up there with the 4 nuts. And that thing, those tabs slide into here, and this tab slides into here, and then the two 7mm screws on the bottom.